most product hunt launches fail in the first 3 seconds. Not because the product is bad, not because the team didn't hustle, because the launch video has no hook, runs too long, and buries the upvote CTA at the end where nobody sees it. The products that hit #1 on Product Hunt all have one thing in common: a tight, punchy 60-second video that hooks the community instantly. Today, I'm going to show you how to create that exact video using AI and Ngram.com in under 5 minutes. Let's go. Go to Ngram.com and log in. You'll see Ngram's Agentic mode interface, a clean describe box where you type exactly what you want in plain language. I'm pasting a detailed prompt. Be specific about your hook, your problem statement, your key differentiator, and your upvote CTA. Select PRO mode so you can review every step. Now, can upload reference files if you want. Then, select the desired avatar and voice. Click Next, pick an animation mode, and continue. You can select the art direction and continue. You can now import your brand kit from your URL. On Product Hunt, brand consistency signals maturity and separates real products from side projects. Watch Ngram generate your complete launch script, hook in 3 seconds, problem named immediately, one focused demo beat, your differentiator, and the upvote CTA. Review the storyboard. Make sure scene 1 is visually bold. You have 3 seconds before someone scrolls, hit generate. Ngram builds every scene with motion graphics and captions, and automatically keeps the file under Product Hunt's upload size cap. No last-minute scrambling on launch morning. Once done, export everything in one go. The hero clip for Product Hunt, the 9-16 social cutdown for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter. Your entire launch asset set from one single prompt. Download, and you're ready for launch day. Your Product Hunt launch is one of the biggest moments for your product. Don't show up on launch day with a weak video that loses the community in the first 3 seconds. Use Ngram to create a 60-second launch video with the exact structure that wins upvotes: bow hook, problem, demo, differentiator, upvote CTA in under 5 minutes for free. Sign up at Ngram.com. Link is in the description. Hit subscribe for more AI tools that help founders launch better and grow faster. Your launch day is coming. Make sure your video is ready. See you in the next one.